YouTube family. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to Ocean Fitness. This is Sagar Midha standing in front of you. So जैसे कि मैंने आपको लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था कि हम आज शॉपिंग करने जाएंगे. So today we are going for the shopping. We are going to go at Pack and Save. It's a choice wherever you want to go. You can go to New World, you can go to Pack and Save, you can go to Countdown, or any part of the world where you're living जहाँ पे खाना मिलता हो. So I'll not buy each and everything, but I'll cover each and everything because कई बार क्या होता है we have a lot of things remaining in our house. तो मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि क्या क्या हेल्दी ऑप्शंस हैं, क्या क्या अनहेल्दी ऑप्शंस हैं, क्या नहीं लेना, क्या क्या खाना है. तो लेट्स गो टू द पैक एंड सेव. सो दिस इज़ द पेट्रोल पंप ऑफ पैक एंड सेव. हम पैक एंड सेव पहुंच गए हैं एंड दैट्स द कार पार्क एंड दिस इज़ पैक एंड सेव. दिस इज़ द प्लेस वेयर आई कम मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. यहाँ पर मेरा एक महीने के 10 चक्कर तो कम से कम है बिकॉज आई कीप ईटिंग एंड finish my grocery before the time. So this is another round today at Pack and Save. We'll go in and stay tuned. This is the entry. Quite busy today. Lots of food for the display. I'm not gonna buy all of these. Look at that. इससे बड़ी और क्या चाहिए? The eggs are cheap today. It's 449 each. That's a good price. तो ऐसे में क्या करना चाहिए? ऐसे में 6-7 प्लेट्स उठा लो. So I'm gonna pick up like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plates of eggs. जिनके पास अंडे उबालने का टाइम नहीं होता, people with very busy lifestyle, they don't have time to break their eggs and everything. This is another very good source. Egg whites. So this is all the white of the eggs. I don't know if you get in all the part of the world, but New Zealand में मिलता है ये. So there are almost 29 egg whites in here. Yeah. So you can just make it on your pan and add all the veggies that you like. Very easy. Even if you're running out of time, it's very easy to cook. Always track your bottle. So this is 2.2 liters. Your goal should be minimum having 3 to 4 liters per day. So you can buy something like this. It's a good way to track your water. इसमें एक बारी में 2.2 liters पानी आ जाएगा. तो like this, the water is always with you, and this is a very good way. I always do this. I have 3 to 4 bottles like that at home. So this is a very good thing. Always keep it with you and stay hydrated. If you like craving, so there's two difference. This is normal. Don't drink this. This is no sugar. So you can have this one glass every day. Don't drink the whole bottle in one day, but if you crave it, this one is good. No sugar. The nut section, you can use roasted salted peanuts for your oats or any other nuts that you like. Some of them are very high in calories, so I won't recommend that one. Pumpkin seed is really good. You can put this in your cereals and oats. And peanuts again. Cashews are good too. You can have them in the morning. And this is macadamians. They are very nice, a bit expensive, but worth eating. Again, this is broccoli. It's a very good vegetable. I really recommend this to have with your food. You can have 150 to 200 grams of broccoli. It's high in protein and good carbs. These are all the greens you can have as in your salad. खाने के साथ भी आप ले सकते हो ये. So baby spinach is very good. All of them are really nice. They are greens and very good for your body. And you can see a lot of salads here. You can choose with the option. All of them are really nice. So for your salads, I highly recommend baby spinach. The reason I recommend this is that because spinach is really high in vitamin A, K and C. बहुत कम vegetables में vitamin K होता है. It's very good for the bones. So for your vitamin K, I will highly recommend baby spinach. And before going to the gym, banana is really high in potassium and it keeps you fuller in the gym. It will give you a lot of energy. So always have like as a pre-workout meal 30 minutes before going to the gym, obviously with your pre-workout. So here we come to the pumpkin. Very high in fiber, low in carbs, very good to eat. It will keep you full if you are planning to diet. Highly recommended this. यहाँ पर कुछ कुमरा भी है. and this is again very good source of carbs, very good source of carbs, low in fats, and try to have like 200 to 250 in your one meal. Bake it. दो तरह के आते हैं ये, orange and a bit reddish. I like this one more, but it's your choice. This is also good, this is also good, very good source. जब भी मैं आता हूँ इसी उम्मीद से आता हूँ कि शायद चिकन ब्रेस्ट डील पे लगी हो, एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड डील. इट्स 8.99 per kg. This is a very good deal. The best source of protein as far as I know. 100 ग्राम चिकन ब्रेस्ट में 28 ग्राम प्रोटीन है. In 100 grams of chicken breast there is 28 grams of protein, so very nice source of protein. Have it with your meals, bake it, cook it, anyhow you like it. People who eat beef, जो लोग खाते हैं तो उनके लिए this is good stand on steak. It's a very fine piece of the beef, low in fats and high in protein again, so it's nice. You can try this as well. Anyone who's eating, who's not eating, I'll never recommend them, so it's your choice. इसको ध्यान से सुनना, listen this carefully. A lot of people eat lamb. Lamb is really high in calories. अगर आप lamb और goat में से choose कर रहे हो, don't go for lamb. Lamb is very high in calories and low in protein. Leave this and switch to this. Goat is really good, low in fats, so highly recommended. Don't take lamb if you can have goat. Always go for goat. Favorite fish, salmon. It's a good source of omega-3 and fatty acids. So I love this fish, but there are other options too. The white fish, people who are trying to lose weight, don't go for salmon because it's very rich in fats too. So go for the finest fish is snapper, but it's expensive, so you can switch to hoki or any other fish that you like. This is bodybuilder's fish, and if you're looking to reduce weight, आप पतले होना चाहते हैं तो go for any white fish. Try to avoid salmon. If you are looking to lose weight, go for the white ones. Now for vegetarians, cottage cheese is really good. It's very high in protein. जो लोग चिकन के थ्रू नहीं ले सकते प्रोटीन से, 12 ग्राम प्रोटीन per 100 grams. Really nice. You can have this with your meals or a spoon whenever you're hungry. This is very good. You can combine it with Greek yogurt. आगे Greek yogurt भी है तो I'll just cover that. You can combine these two things, very nice. Or whenever you make your eggs, you can use a lot of things here, and you can eat this with your eggs. They all are nice. सारी नहीं खानी एक बारी में. Don't eat the whole lot. Spoon by spoon. तो जैसे मैंने पहले बताया था आपको, कॉटेज चीज़ इज़ अ वेरी गुड सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन. सो यू सी दिस इज़ ग्रीक योगर्ट. So this comes in a lot of flavors. Again, for vegetarians, you can have this very high in protein. आप देख सकते हैं ये 13 grams of protein per serve. And if I turn this, you'll see that per serve is almost like, you can see all these things over here when you're buying it. And it's low in calories also. So it's highly recommended for vegetarians. Good source of protein. We'll try to avoid all these things. I'm not saying that never eat these things. Have it like once in 10 days, because ये भी ज़रूरी है. If you just avoid all the time, then you're gonna feel you're not having the yum things. So you can have these things like once in a while for a bit of taste. And look at that. Look at that. That's so yum. I have it. मैं भी खाता हूँ इनको. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं कभी भी नहीं खाता. But not always. Like once in 10 days, I treat myself, and it's very important to treat yourself as well. मुँह में तो पानी आ गया, पानी. ये देखो. जब हमारा हैप्पी बर्थडे आएगा फिर हम इसको खाएंगे. बट आज हैप्पी बर्थडे नहीं है तो आज नहीं खाएंगे. Try to avoid it. I'm not saying leave it, but try to avoid it. Look at that. सारा स्वाद तो यहाँ पे है. The whole taste is here of the world. वो तो अच्छी चीज़ें हैं, but yep. I'll get back to the things that I want to show. So people who don't like bread, they can swap it to wraps. There are a lot of options in the wraps. Try to not have the white ones. The ones that are really good is the one that I like the most is spinach wrap. Obviously it's nice because spinach का मैंने पहले भी बताया था कि it's really good for your body. Try to avoid the Italian herbs and all those things because they're white wraps. This one is good. You can see all the wheat ones are better and the white ones are not as healthy as the wheat ones. Never think that this is real juice. I'm not trying to say that it's bad, but एक बात ध्यान से सुनो मेरी. आप मार्केट में जाते हो ऑरेंज जूस पीने, ठीक है? $20 का आता है ऑरेंज जूस, 20 रुपये का सॉरी इंडिया में, या फिर 30-40 रुपये का जो भी होगा, महंगा हो गया होगा। और ये सेम बोतल 120 की आ जाती है इतने सारी। तो यू थिंक इट्स रियली ऑरेंज जूस? अगर आप 120 का ओरिजिनल ऑरेंज लो और उसका जूस निकालो घर पे और इससे कंपेयर करो तो वो इतना निकलेगा, इतना। दैट इज़ द जूस, दिस इज़ नॉट जूस, दिस इज़ ऑल शुगर। इसमें बहुत चीनी मिली हुई है। दे माइट से दैट इट्स रियली नाइस, बट जूस के आगे देयर इज़ नथिंग पैरेलल टू दैट। सो ऑलवेज हैव योर जूस। वैसे तो मैं रिकमेंड यही करूँगा कि ईट योर फ्रूट डायरेक्टली, फ्रूट ही बेस्ट है। फ्रूट को फ्रूट की तरह खाओ, उसका जूस भी मत निकालो, एंड दैट्स हाउ यू गोना यूज ऑल द न्यूट्रिशंस ऑफ द फ्रूट। ये सारे ऑप्शंस हैं फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट, दे ऑल आर गुड ऑप्शंस, एंड द बेस्ट वन दैट आई लाइक एंड इट्स रियली गुड इन कार्ब्स and low in calories is this one, rolled oats. Highly recommended for breakfast or anytime when you're hungry. They all are nice, but the best. Peanut butter again very good. It's good source of fats. जो लोग जिम जाते हैं, जिनका साइज गेन नहीं हो पा रहा, they can start eating peanut butter. You can put some peanut butter over your rice cakes. अभी राइस केक्स आगे पड़े हैं तो आई विल जस्ट शो यू व्हाट आर राइस केक्स, और उसके ऊपर आप 1 चम्मच पीनट बटर लगा सकते हो। यू कैन हैव 4 to 5 राइस केक्स विद पीनट बटर बिफोर गोइंग टू द जिम, और इवन आई सेड बिफोर बनाना, सो यू कैन चूज योर ऑप्शन। सो दिस इज अनदर वेरी गुड ऑप्शन बिफोर गोइंग टू द जिम, लाइक हाफ एन आवर विद योर प्री वर्कआउट। सो दीज आर राइस केक्स, सो यू कैन बाय them and you can have them 30 minutes before the gym or anytime. They are dry source of carbs and you can see them. It's really nice. You can put your peanut butter on each rice cake. इसके ऊपर ऐसे peanut butter लगाओ और 30 या 40 मिनट पहले जिम से खा सकते हो. You won't feel bloated. So this is the original rice cake. अगर आपको peanut butter नहीं पसंद and you want to avoid it, so you can also buy these ones. They are very tasty. They have a lot of sour cream. Not a lot of sour cream, but a bit of sour cream and onion flakes. So it's easy to eat as compared to the other ones. Have it before your gym. A lot of people tell me that they have a very strong sweet tooth. So जिनको मीठा खाने का मन करता है, I will highly recommend to go with Weight Watchers. This is a very good brand. So this is mousse. It's very good for treating yourself. Very low in calories. And even if you eat one packet every day, it's not a harm. I eat it and I don't feel fat. So Weight Watchers is really good. इसमें और भी चीज़ें आती हैं like the mousse. So see if you compare this mousse with this mousse. इसमें बहुत fats हैं, बहुत calories हैं. Whereas this is way better than that one. इसमें jelly भी आती है. So this is all for those people जिनका sweet tooth है and they can't live without something sweet. So go for Weight Watchers. It's a very good brand. इंडिया में भी होएंगे कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे. जस्ट ट्राई टू फिगर इट आउट. वेट वॉचर्स के नाम से या लो कैलोरीज के नाम से डेफिनेटली होएंगे, बट दीज वंस ना, दिस इज टू हाई इन कैलोरीज एंड शुगर. दीज वंस आर गुड. सो बैक टू द वेजिटेरियन पीपल. वेजिटेरियन लोग पनीर खा सकते हैं. पनीर इज़ गुड सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन. सो यू कैन जस्ट रीड दैट एंड इट्स 25.3 grams of protein in 100 grams, which is almost equal to 100 grams of chicken breast. बट ध्यान रहे कि प्रोटीन के साथ साथ और चीज़ें क्या हैं 100 ग्राम में. सो एनर्जी यू कैन सी 1420. पनीर इज़ गुड सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन. सो फॉर वेजिटेरियंस इट्स गुड टू ईट. अगेन अगर टाइम नहीं है वेजिटेबल्स काटने का, तो देयर इज़ एन ऑप्शन ऑफ फ्रोजन वेजिटेबल्स. दे आर गुड, दे आर वेरी नाइस. यू कैन ऑलवेज हैव देम. यू कैन चूज एनी वंस दैट यू लाइक. बहुत सारी ऑप्शंस हैं. दैट्स मिक्स वेजीज. Or if you like some particular ones like baby beans is really good for the ones who are looking to lose weight. Baby beans अगर आप weight कम करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, because it's very high in fiber, तो this is recommended for those who are dieting and अपने खाने के साथ have baby beans. इसको बनाना हो अच्छा तो baby beans is good. You have a lot of options over here. This is good. It's very tasty. I like this one and इसको मैं हमेशा यूज़ करता हूँ अपने चिकन ब्रेस्ट के साथ. और this one and spinach और भी तरीक़ों से आती है. This is frozen spinach. Again okra is good. Bhindi and the rest of the things. So a lot of options. Always have your beans and your veggies. So this is the end of the grocery for today. मैं हर चीज़ नहीं cover कर पाया हूँ. I could not cover everything. So maybe next time when I come, there are a lot of more things जो cover करने की रह गई हैं. तो this is the grocery that looks like for today. और गेस्ट आ रहे हैं घर पे आज, तो उनके लिए परांठे भी लिए हैं. उनको तो चिकन ब्रेस्ट अंडे नहीं खिला सकते ना, तो these are for the guest and I will have half. ऐसी बात नहीं है. So that's all and we'll go back now. So that's the bill going down and that's the whole grocery that we have bought. Let's see how much the bill goes. So finally we have ended with $318. मैं usually इतनी shopping नहीं करता. I don't buy so much. We were running out of everything, so that's the final thing. So now we are going back to home. This is our beautiful New Zealand. Very beautiful. Everything is so organized. Beautiful homes over here. And this is Huntington, where I live. It's a part of New Zealand. It's Hamilton. Hamilton का एक part है ये, and it's really beautiful. Look at the greenery. And we are almost 1 kilometer away from our home. Almost there. The weather is very good today. It's sunny but it's hot in New Zealand. It's the summertime and look at the homes. It's so beautiful. And everything looks so well organized. That's the beauty. It's a very good place to come and walk around in the evening, fresh air. Yep, so stay tuned and very soon we are going to end the video. Back home now. अभी घर पहुंचे and it's too hot today and I'm a bit sweaty. So आज जो हमने shopping करी है, I have covered most of the healthy food that I buy in Pack and Save. There are a lot more options that you can eat, but if you're eating something like this and you have a goal to have a lean body and a muscular body, so these are the foods that you have to eat. They are very important क्योंकि यही food है जो आपका muscle बनाएंगे. And I have not covered everything. There might be more other options, very healthy options that might be you might knowing it. So try to eat all this type of foods and stay tuned, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope you will like this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll keep posting more and I'll try my best to provide more knowledge with bodybuilding.